Hello everyone. I would like to say thank you to my mentor Sir Max and my batchmates and for the wonderful experience we have shared together. I am very happy to be a part of this batch and my experiences in this school is great and I've learned a lot and all the questions that I've been asking are answered while attending this school. And the tasks given up to the business games are really great and gives me the idea how to think and act in real life. And thank you Sir Max for being such a good and kind teacher, and all the lessons I have learned here will be my tool in spreading MMM to my community. And this can really helps me a lot to share benefits and they will get into joining the community. And thank you once again, and together we change the world. Thank you.